40 Mike, 9 Mike Sierra, leaving now level 250 for level 70.
Then checklist is completed.
Number 409 Mike Sierra, request descent below flight level 70.
November 9 Mike Sierra, roger, the service from Scottish terminates, contact Wick 119.705.
119.705, thank you very much and have a good day. Number 409 Mike Sierra. Wick, very good morning, November 409 Mike Sierra, descending through level 108 for level 70, estimate field at 13, request to further descent.
November 409 Mike Sierra, Wick approach, good morning. The Wick QH1023 procedural service, report your range.
The range is 2325 nautical miles now and procedural service is copied. I'd like to do a straight in visual approach for runway 13.
November 9 Mike Sierra, roger, you are cleared for the visual approach runway 13, report passing 10 DME, you're number 1.
10 DME next to report and clear for the visual straight in 13. 9 Mike Sierra is 10 miles out, the runway is in sight.
November 9 Mike Sierra, roger, report final runway 13.
Final 13 next, 9 Mike Sierra.
November 9 Mike Sierra, the surface wind is turned variable, varying between 190 degrees and 260 degrees at 12 knots. Currently showing straight across with a mean at 220, runway 31 is available if you would prefer to join downwind for it.
I can do a straight in approach, is still within limit, thank you on November 9 Mike Sierra, report short final next.
November 9 Mike Sierra, have you in sight, runway 13, service wind 230 degrees 13, varying between 190 degrees and 260 degrees, you are clear to land.
Clear to land 13, thank you on 9 Mike Sierra.
Yaw damper off. Landing checklist completed, only 4 flaps to come. Flaps.
500.
Check.
Minimums.
Continue, crosswind from the right.
Mike Sierra, vacate right at Charlie, taxi Bravo to the apron.
Charlie Bravo to the apron, thank you, 9 Mike Sierra.